The Chef Sac Knife Backpack Set with Roll Bag is the ultimate carrier for culinary mavericks and chefs on the go. Designed with practical use in mind, this stylish beast of a backpack is made with 600D premium polyester to withstand years of daily use. Our knife bag is abrasion resistant, water resistant, and can be carried multiple ways. With handcrafted precision and reinforced double stitching, you can safely protect your valuable knives, tools, and equipment both in and out of the kitchen. Keeping size in mind for easy transport without the bulk, this chef knife backpack measures 19.5 inches tall and 14.5 inches wide. We specifically designed this bag to feature over 40 pockets for your knives, tools, and utensils. It features an inner panel that flips out to gain easy access to all your kitchen essentials with double rows of storage space and safety straps for security. There's also a special spot for your cleaver, along with multiple mesh pockets for small accessories. The backpack is expandable to bring along your chef jacket, cutting board, or a change of clothes. Executive chef that have more than just tools? Well, we got you covered with space for your laptop, tablet, menu, notepad, or recipe book. Featured on this backside of the bag are hidden pockets that safely tuck away valuables like your cell phone, wallet, keys, or even keep a secret recipe hidden. In addition, this set comes with a knife roll for those days where you just need that extra carrying capacity. The Chef Knife Backpack Set is a kitchen favorite for both professionals and students.